Assalamu alaikum. Now let's start practicing the rules that we have taken before in conditional if using the three types. So open your pamphlets please to page 48. Rewrite to do as shown between brackets. Before I start joining any sentence using if, I must read the sentence carefully to decide which situation is it going to deal with, to decide which conditional I'm going to use. Then decide where is the condition part and where is the result part. Number 3, put the rule in your mind and then start applying on the sentence. So let's start with number 1. Ali doesn't play football well, so he can't be a member in our team. So here, this is not a fact, and there's nothing that is possible to happen here, because the fact is here, or the real situation is that he doesn't play football well, so he can't be a member. So here I'm going to wish something different. So now I'm going to use if type 2. What is the condition and where is the result? Ali doesn't play football well, that's the condition. And the result is he can't be a member in our team. So to join using if in type 2, the sentence will be Ali could be a member in our team if he played football well. Number 2, you have a problem, I help you. Here, I'm expressing something that is possible to happen. So I'm going to use if type 1, present simple, future with will. I'll help you if you have a problem. And of course, I can start with if and say, if you have a problem, I will help you. But just notice that in this case, you're going to put a comma in the middle. Number 3, May doesn't sell her old car. She won't be able to buy that new one. So again here, there is nothing that is possible to happen here. So I'm going to wish something different. That's if type 2. If as past, then the other part would or could. If May sold her old car, she would be able to buy that new one. Number 4, I'm not able to sleep well. I can't attend tomorrow's meeting. Again, that's the same case. There is nothing that is possible to happen here. I can't change it. So I'm going to wish something different. So use again if type 2. If I slept well, I would attend tomorrow's meeting. Number 5. When you boil water, it evaporates. Here, we're discussing a general truth or a fact. And in this case, we're going to use 0 type. If present simple, because we know that we use present simple to express facts. So the sentence will be, if you boil water, it evaporates. Number 6, you should tell your parents the truth. In this case, when you find the word should, this means that I'm going to give advice. And in this case, I'm going to use if type 2 using the structure if I were you. So the answer will be, I would tell my parents the truth if I were you. Or, if I were you, I would tell my parents the truth. The other page. Number 1, I don't have a bike. I have to walk to school every day. Of course, nobody likes the situation, so I'll wish something different using if type 2. If I had a bike, I wouldn't have to walk to school every day. Number 2, it's very cold, so we can't play outside today. The answer will be, we could play outside if it wasn't cold. Number 3, we can skate when the lake freezes. Here, there is something that is possible to happen, so it will be if type 1. We will skate if the lake freezes. Number 4, he doesn't have enough money, so he can't buy a computer. Again, we'll use if type 2 to wish for something different. If he had enough money, he could buy a computer. Number 5, you should study hard to pass the exam. Again, should, so this means I'm going to use if I were you. If I were you, I will study hard to pass the exam. Number 6, I don't exercise enough, so I put on weight. So let's change this and wish for something different. If I exercise enough, I wouldn't put on weight. Number 7, when there is no oxygen, living organisms die. Of course, this is a fact, so we'll use 0 type. Living organisms die if there is no oxygen.